Friends, so in the previous topics we have completed using is, am, are. Okay. Now, did you all completed your homeworks? I have given you the homework. Write a few sentences about is, am, are. Okay. So now using is, am, are, you have to write the sentences. You have to do the homework. I think all have completed the homework. So today's topic is prepositions. What is the topic today? Prepositions. Preposition is nothing but the sentence we use in the middle a small words like in, on, under, where the object is. It tells about where the object is. I will give you the example. You will understand slowly. We won't go fast. Okay. Slowly we will learn. Okay. Now prepositions. Do you know what prepositions? A prepositions is a word that tells us where a person and animals a place, a thing is in this way. Preposition words connect with a noun or a pronoun to another noun or pronouns. Some examples of prepositions. So, a preposition is a word. Preposition is a word that tells us where the person, where the object, where the position, where the object is having a position in it. For example, I'll give you some examples. You can use on, in, under, and over, in other words. So it tells you about the object where it is. For example, in, on, in, under, and over. In other words. So, suppose if I say, so you can see the duster here. That duster is on the table. So, for example, D-U-S-T-E-R, duster is on the table. Duster is on the table. Duster is on the table. Here what is the preposition? It tells where the duster is. It is telling the position of an object. This is an object. Duster is an object. So it is telling that where the duster is. The duster is on the table. Like that. It tells about, okay, the book is on the table. You can write the book is, the book. So you can see the book. The book is on the table. Here we are using on. So it is telling where the book is. It is telling where the book is. Book is on the table. Duster is also on the table. And one more example. The teddy, you know the teddy bear? The teddy is in the cupboard. The teddy is in the cupboard. So you kept the teddy in the cupboard. So something, think this is a cupboard. So you kept the teddy in the cupboard. So cupboard. So what is the preposition here? It is in. You can see here in. So we have completed on and in. Got it, everybody? Again, one more example. The rabbit, you know rabbit? The rabbit is under the tree. The rabbit is under the tree. Here what is the preposition? Under. It is telling where the rabbit is, where the animal. Animal, it is where. It is telling the position of the animal. I am standing in the class. Okay. I am in the class. So where I am? I am in the class. So it is telling that I am in the class. Like that, duster, D-U-S-T-E-R, duster, I-S is O-N on, T-H-E the T-A-B-L-E, table. So here preposition tells us on is a preposition. O-N on is a preposition. On is a preposition. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. On is the preposition. The teddy is in the cupboard. So in is the preposition. The rabbit is under the table. So under is the preposition. So here under completed. Okay. Once again, D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. I-S is O-N on. T-H-E the T-A-B-L-E, table. Here it shows where the object is. So duster is on the table. So on is the preposition. The book is on the table. So on is the preposition. The teddy is in the cupboard. So the teddy is in the cupboard. In is the preposition. The rabbit is under the tree. It is showing the positions where the objects are. So the rabbit is under the tree. Suppose think it is a tree. It is a tree. It is under the rabbit is under the tree. Got it, everybody? Did you all understood? It is under the tree. Okay. Once again. And it is over. So the cat is jumping. The cat is jumping over the chair. So here over is the preposition. So the cat is jumping over the chair. Over the chair means chair. Chair is here. Suppose think it is chair. It is jumping over the chair. So the cat is jumping over the chair. Here Over is the preposition. Over is the preposition. So once again we will read. Duster is on the table. The book is on the table. The teddy is in the cupboard. The rabbit is under the tree. The cat is jumping over the chair. I'll give you one more example. The mouse is under the table. So here what is the preposition? Under. So here under is the preposition. Okay, you all understood about this one? It will tell preposition is nothing but it tells where the object, where the person, where the place, where the animal or anything that are in which position, where the position, where they are. So it is telling that on, in, under, over, under. Got it everybody? Duster, D-U-S-T-E-R. While you are reading, if you read with the spellings, you will be thorough with the spellings. You can write the spelling easily. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. I-S is, O-N on, T-H is the, T-A-B-L-E, table. Duster is on the table. T-H is the, B-O-O-K, book. I-S is, O-N on, T-H is the, T-A-B-L-E, table. The book is on the table. T-H is the, T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. I-S is, I-N in, T-H is the, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. The teddy is in the cupboard. The T-H is the, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. I-S is, U-N-D-E-R, under. T-H is the, T-R-E, tree. The rabbit is under the tree. T-H is the, C-A-T, cat. I-S is, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. O-V-E-R, over. T-H is the, C-H-A-I-R, chair. The cat is jumping over the chair. T-H is the, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. I-S is, U-N-D-E-R, under. T-H is the, T-A-B-L-E, table. The mouse is under the table. On, in, under, over, under. So you can write many examples for prepositions. I'll tell you. For prepositions, you can use these words. So you have to copy down these words and you can write sentences about these using these words. So that are prepositions are about, among, at, beside, above. These all are prepositions. Around, before, between, after, along, behind, from, in, into, like, near, off, on, out, over, through, to, up, upon, under, with, etc. These all are prepositions. So, these all are prepositions. You can use these words in the sentence and you can write how I shown in the examples. You can write, using these words you can write many sentences. So, before I am going to school, I ate my breakfast. About, my school name is, I am writing an essay about my school. Among my friends, I am a sharp boy. At, my school starts at 9 o'clock. Okay. Beside, my house is beside my school. Above, we are the mouse is above the bridge. Around, we all the markets are around the circle. Before, between, me and my friend are sitting. I and my friend are sitting. My boys are sitting between girls. After my dinner, I am going to walk along. I'll sit along with my parents to eat dinner. Behind my chair, there is a small mouse. From, my school is, I start to school from my home. In, you can write many sentences. Whatever you write, you have to see this like this. You use these words and you write the sentences. Okay. So sentences, how you will write. So I am giving the homework for you. The homework is, use these words. Homework is, using these words, write sentences neatly. One time. Using these words, write few sentences. Using these words, write few sentences. That is prepositions. Sentences using prepositions, these are the words. So you have to copy down these words, use these words, using these words, write the sentences and complete the sentences. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You will get 27 sentences. So no need to write 27 sentences. Using these words, whatever you understood, what the topic I told you understood, you write these all the sentences. Few sentences. No need to write more sentences. How much you have understood. To use these words, write the sentences. This is the homework for you. You have to write it neatly, and you have, while you are writing, so many of the parents are complaining, my son is not writing neatly. So you have to use 4 rule book. Don't use the other books. You have to use 4 rule books. In the 4 rule books, you have to write neat handwriting. Using the finger gap, think that you are writing in the class or book, and you write neat handwriting. So once again, listen these words. I am going to tell you again. About. A-B-O-U-T. About. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among. At. A-T. At. Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-L-O-N-G. Along. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. F-R-O-M. From. I-N. In. I-N-T-O. Into. L-I-K-E. Like. N-E-A-R. Near. O-F. Off. O-F-F. Off. O-N. On. O-U-T. Out. O-V-E-R. Over. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. T-O. To. U-P. Up. U-P-O-N. Upon. U-N-D-E-R. Under. W-I-T-H. With. Okay. These are the sentences you have. These are the words you have to use, and you have to write the few sentences using prepositions. That words are called prepositions. Prepositions will tell you the position of an object, of a place, of an animal or a thing. Anything. Object means thing only. So it will tell you about the position of that words. So you have to see the positions of the words, and you have to write the sentences using this one. So homework is, using these words, write few sentences, that is prepositions. Okay, using these words. Thank you everyone.